Hello students, today we will discuss about the development of ovule and female gametophyte. So let's start with the structure. You can see the diagram. In this diagram, this is the structure of nucellus inside the integument. These two layers are the integument. Structure of an ovule in which these two layers are the coverings of the nucellus. This is this structure. This is the nucellus, inside which the ovule develops. Ovule is this is the embryo sac, secondary nucleus. This one is the egg cell cover. Just adjacent to the egg cell is the synergid, and this is the micropylar end. The part by which the ovule is attached. Is termed, the stalk is termed as the funicle, and the point of attachment is the hilum. So this structure, now based on the arrangement of ovule on the stalk or inside the ovary, that arrangement may vary from plant to plant, and based on the plant, the arrangement, they are termed as orthotropous, anotropous, campylotropous, hemitropous or amphitropous. So we will write a few key terms to remember or to memorize the words on what basis these are termed as the words are given to them. So this, let's just know the terms of the structure. This is the chalazial end, this is micropylar end, and this one is the funicle. So based on these three structure, micropyle, chalaza and funicle, the names are given. First is the orthotropous ovule. Orthotropous means when ovule is upright. Ovule is upright, and all the three means micropyle, chalaza and funicle are in a straight line. Then the condition is orthotropous condition. Next is anatropous condition, when ovule is inverted to 180 degree. So when ovule is inverted to 180 degree, then micropyle and chalaza in one line, and the funicle is parallel to it. So when micropyle and chalaza is in one line and funicle parallel to it, the condition is anatropous condition. Next to this is campylotropous. Campylotropous is curved ovule. Curved ovule, the curvature is similar to the anatropous condition but less than anatropous. So I have used the terms, the mathematical symbols in this. So less than the curved ovule but less than the anatropous condition. Micropyle and chalaza are not in a line. Micropyle and chalaza are not in a line, but funicle is perpendicular to chalaza. Funicle is perpendicular to chalaza. Next is hemitropous condition. Hemitropous condition, when ovule turned perpendicular. When ovule turns perpendicular, then micropyle and chalaza are in a horizontal line and funicle is perpendicular to it. Funicle is the point of attachment of ovule. So funicle is perpendicular, ovule is perpendicular, micropyle and chalaza are in horizontal line. Last is the amphitropous condition. Amphitropous condition, when the curvature is like the anatropous condition but it is more pronounced than, more extended than the anatropous condition. So pronounced curved like anatropous. Embryo sac bends like horseshoe shape. So that these terms are based on the arrangement of micropyle, chalaza and funicle. This is the chalaza end, micropyle end. Micropyle is the opening where the integuments are not present. Integuments are the covering on the nucellus or the embryo sac. Embryo sac is covered by nucellus. Nucellus is again covered by the layers of integument, integumental layer. If the layer of integument is single, then the condition is monotegmic. Based on the number of integument, and two integuments, then bitegument. If the integument is absent, then eutegmic condition. So this or these conditions are based on the presence or absence of teguments or the covering or layer. Then this 8 nucleated structure is very important structure which we'll discuss during the process of fertilization. 8 nucleated structure here. This one is a micropylar end where one egg cell is surrounded by two synergid. This is the antipodal. These are antipodal cells. 3 cells at the antipodal end. These are antipodal and two polar nuclei fuse together to form a secondary nucleus. Thank you for today's session.